Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and we're going to go over how you replace your lift supports. This one has two, one on both sides, and so if one or both go bad, your hood won't be able to stay up. And so if you're replacing these by yourself, replace both of them at the same time for optimal use, so left and right. Also, if you're doing it by yourself, you're going to want to use something to hold up the hood while you take one off, because you need both of them to hold the hood up. So to start with, you've put in your safety to hold up the hood, or you have a helper that's holding up your hood. And then just take a small screwdriver and you go right here in between the clip. There's a little indent, and we just pull that clip back a bit, and then that way we're able to pull this off. And then we'll do the same on the top one here, and we're able to pull the strut off. When you get a new strut, it's going to be at the fully extended, and it won't be easy to push down. Now this even has your arrow saying which way goes toward the body of the vehicle, and this one would go toward the trunk side. So you would take your new one and be able to just install it, pull it over the hole, pull it toward yourself on the top one, and you don't need to use any tool when you're putting it back on, because it will actually just go around the clamp with ease. And you do the same on the bottom and just push and snap that and lock that into place. And so that's how you would replace your lift supports, and you would do both of those on your vehicle at the same time for optimal abilities. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.